What's going on, y'all? Back at it again, working on one of the vehicles. Today we are working on this Subaru. So I don't know if y'all, I showed the video, but so I did this whole like custom exhaust thing. I'll show y'all it real quick. Literally starts right here at the first cat, which I still need to finish welding that. I got some welding wire, comes all the way back straight. And all I did is cut it at an angle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a hanger in so this thing actually sits up like that. Did some screwed up welding here. This is one of the hangers holding it on. And then I'm just gonna do one more. But what the hanger I have is this one right here. I'm going to just run a bolt through right here to hold it on. I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do it. And there's a little hole right here on my, what's this called? I guess my diff holder or whatever. But you see, I have this right here. That's the original one, but I'm gonna bolt this one in here. It's gonna run down, and I'm gonna hold this up with our little lift thing and weld that together. But that's what I'm working on as far as the exhaust for the Subaru right now. And I guess let's see how it goes. Hopefully it works out well. My plan. And hopefully all it needs is just that one more hanger. But there was originally 1, 2, 3 other hangers it used, but I think just the one more should suffice. Okay, after fighting with the welding machine a little bit to figure out how to get a smaller spool where a big spool goes, I've got to rig it up for now, but time to start welding. Alrighty, let's see if we can do this. All right, let's see what it looks like. That side came out way better, but welding's getting a little bit better. Doesn't feel like it should move. We'll check it. We'll drop down this, see if it stays. All right, here's the test. Well, looks like it pretty much stayed up where we wanted it to. Doesn't look bad. Might try and drill another hole here, I'm not sure. It's really not moving. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Now, that's done. So I need to finish the welds down over here on this side. Finish these welds in here. So now I gotta take the exhaust back off one more time and then work on the welds. By the way, I want to thank Bert Withers for, or Dr. Cobra for letting me use his tools. He's pretty cool about letting me use all his tools. And I have tools to work on it, but I'd be scrambling all over the place to grab them. So, helps me out a lot. All right, now we gotta get the exhaust hanger thing. Alrighty. Not bad. I'm starting to see that was from before. It's your holder, but starting to look better and better. Heck yeah. Let's put this back in the car. Oh yeah. It's all welded up. It's running right now, but let's see if we can get... I don't know how well this audio is gonna do it justice, but we'll see. I don't think it sounds too bad for a station wagon. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for tonight working on the Subaru. Very short video. Just finishing up the, I guess, catback straight pipe on the Subaru, the exhaust system, whatever you want to call it. But if you want to see more videos on the Subaru, Miata, anything, just let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, y'all.